Hi, it's Jillian from Lovely Loops, and I'm really excited to show you inside the Procreate Lettering Projects course. So after you get the course, you'll log in and you'll see a screen that looks like this. Procreate Lettering Projects is the name of the course, but you'll see once you get inside that it's actually a bundle of tons of different courses because we have so much content in here. So we recommend starting with the very first course inside the bundle, which is called Procreate Features and Navigation. So opening this up, this is what the individual courses will look like. You'll have a list of all of the lesson videos. They're called lectures. So you can click onto whichever one you'd like to start with. We recommend starting at the very beginning, but you can always scroll down if there's a specific feature that you'd like to learn. You'll click play on the video, watch the entire video. You can even speed it up or slow it down if you need. You can always pause, rewind, and then when you're done watching it, choose complete and continue to take yourself to the next video. Same thing, click play and continue on, and you're basically scrolling down this list of lectures. If you need to, you can always scroll back up and review any lesson that you've marked as complete. This will keep track of where you've left off, so next time you need to go back into the course, it will start wherever you left off. After you finish learning the Procreate features and navigation, you can dive into the project packs. Each project pack includes 4 different projects, so let's take a look at Project Pack 1. Inside of Project Pack 1, we'll have a separate lesson for each project. Some of the projects are broken down into multiple videos if they're longer. Same thing, you'll click on the video to play it. We'll walk you through step by step exactly how to create this project. It's almost like you're sitting next to us and we're showing you the steps. You can pause it if you need and rewatch these as many times as you like. Once you're done, we would love to see your work. You can submit a picture of your work right inside the course. Oh, you can also ask questions inside the course if you need. We also have a private Facebook group where our students share their work, and we love seeing everyone's. It's so cool to see everyone's take on the project. You can create it the same way that we've created ours. You can use different colors, different words. It's just really exciting to see everyone's work after they complete the project. So we invite you, if you are on Facebook, to join this group so that you can share your work in here as well. Again, am so excited that you're interested in this course. We've put a ton of work to make it the best course it can possibly be. We're always adding updates. You get lifetime access. It's a one-time payment. You don't have to have an annual subscription or anything. It's a one-time payment. You get lifetime access, all future updates. And if you have any questions at all, please reach out to us at hello@lovelyloops.com. Again, we're so excited that you're ready to take this step in your Procreate lettering journey, and we wish you all the best.